Oh man, I still haven't reviewed the Clip 3. I think it's been sitting in here for a few months now. Wow. It's been sitting under my desk and I totally forgot about it. So, if you want to see the Clip 3 review, comparison, let me know, comment section below, and let's get to this video. Hey, what's up YouTube? Wellington here and welcome to this video. Now, as you've probably seen already the title, we do have LG speakers in the house. We're going to be trying out LG's audio and see what they are up to. And the main reason I'm doing this video is just so I can get an idea, you know, well, what's in the box, how they come and all that, but also mainly to ask you guys what and find out what you guys really want to see as far as comparison to some of the other speakers that we have. So yes, introducing the LG, this is the PK7, I believe. Yeah, PK7, PK5, and the PK3. So we're going to be unboxing, a look at what they come with, as well as, well, the kids are sleeping, so I probably won't do the recording of the audio right now, but I will put a sample audio at the end of the video so you can listen to each of the speakers just to give you just an idea of what they sound like, and then when we go into the detailed reviews and sound comparison, we can actually compare them to some other speakers that we already have in the house in here. So I want you to let me know what you think, what you want to see any of these speakers compared to. Anyways, what should we open first? Maybe the PK3? I think so. Okay, so full disclosure, I did open these boxes before. Well, I didn't get into everything because I had some helpers here who were helping me because they wanted to be in the video. Alright, are you gonna start?
Yeah.
Okay, you talk to them.
Hello people, I hope you enjoy this channel. This is a good YouTube video. I know you're gonna love it. You should totally home, and this is good. It should be.
But they got a little bit of disagreement. PK5, no fighting.
Stop!
And that did not go well, so we kind of reopening. So I didn't really listen to them though, so this is still, it was kind of chaotic, so I was like, you know, we're done with this, go to bed. But anyways, this is the PK3. Is that true? PK3, yeah, I actually noticed this in the box where the speakers came, and the box was beat up a little bit, so I'm hoping it doesn't look like there's usually a ton of foam in here, so I don't think it affected the actual speaker. That will be interesting to see. But let's open this, the PK3, and the first thing you see is the user manual and the speaker right here. But this cut out so you can grab it to pull it out. This is the PK3 here, the charging cable stuff, I believe. Are you kidding me? This is USB-C. Are you guys seeing that? So you get a USB-C. Pretty cool, exciting stuff. I'm happy to see that, LG. That's a good impression. Okay, so this is the speaker. User manual, USB-C, and the speaker itself, I believe. There's nothing else in there. We'll come back to that later. Anyway, so this is the PK3. I mean, I want to say that the Flip 4 is longer, but this is wider. So, but they have a lanyard here, well, a lanyard hook. I wonder if I feel like they should have given a lanyard with it, but nope. But yeah, you can hook something here, so that's pretty cool. They have PRs on the sides here. You can see passive radiators. I kind of do like the design though. It's not bad. That looks pretty cool with Meridian technology. I don't know. So power button, Bluetooth, plus minus audio play, microphone, enhanced bass. Pretty cool. I'm guessing that kind of works like Sony's extra bass. So I think so. And then in the back here, you do have, well, the DC in, the USB-C port. I love that. And then you also have the the 3.5mm jack. And then you also have a reset button there. So this doesn't seem to be such a bad speaker. I'm hoping the sound is not also that bad. It doesn't look cheap, so that is good. Well, I'm kind of excited. I want to see, I'll put that right there. I want to see the PK5 if it's the same thing too. PK5. Okay, so this is one of the ones that we already opened with my kids. So this is usually in a plastic bag, like you saw with the PK3. It came in a plastic bag, but we took that off in the first time that we were making the video. But yeah, does it also use USB-C? USB-C. That is so sweet. So yeah, user menu, the USB-C for charging the speaker. I'm really thankful that someone is doing that. They're moving towards USB-C. All right, so in the back here, you also get your USB-C DC 5V input, an audio in, 3.5mm jack, a reset button, and I'm not sure what that button does. It has like plus signs on it. It's probably for adding more speakers to it, like you connect more than one speaker, like the add button on Sony's. I'm guessing so. Yes, I found it out. It's called dual play. So like I was guessing, it's for connecting more than one speaker so they can play in sync. And you also have the same stuff here. The nice tones, but the battery is warning. So yep, and it just died. Come on, guys. So it comes with no battery on it. That's kind of disappointing. So you get enhanced bass on here, but you also get an additional clear vocal setting on here. So I guess that probably makes the vocal sound better, I'm assuming. Let's look at the big guy here. This is the PK7. And same thing here, we opened this one already with my kids. But it also comes in a plastic bag. It also has a huge cage on it. It's pretty heavy too. It's pretty heavy. And then in here, USB-C? Is it USB-C? Probably not. At least a lot more power. No. Brick AC adapter. So this one does not use USB-C. It goes the same route like the JBL Extreme and Extreme 2. So that's kind of a disappointment. I was hoping for USB-C all the way, but not. Alright, so in the back here, you have the dual audio right there too, the same thing. The port in for the 3.5mm audio, and then your charging port right here. I'm surprised they didn't give you a port to charge a phone, like somewhere to a USB-C port to charge your phone, because I feel like everything this size they're usually doing that, but they didn't do that on this, which I don't mind because I rarely ever use that anyways, because you know it just drains your speaker. And as you guys know, I have a ton of power banks, so I don't really need the speaker to do that. Maybe that's what they were thinking too. I don't know. Yep, you turn it on. Really, LG? The battery warning, dead. It's gonna die. Come on, guys. That ruins the excitement. Then you have your clear vocal and enhanced bass. So these are basically the same here. The settings that are, the buttons that you have on here are basically identical. Yeah, so you guys let me know what you want to see against any of these speakers in the sound battle videos. I do like the cool lights. I think Sony is getting a competitor here. Does the PK have lights? The PK3? I don't think the PK3 has any lights on it. That's not cool, Sony. Yeah, the cages are kind of weird, and I don't know like what I think about it. It's like it's not terrible. Like I wouldn't say it's like so bad. Like I think it's might be even handy just to carry it, but I think it's kind of a strange design that you probably have to get used to. But I don't mind it. Like I don't mind it. I do not mind the design. Anyways, they have some cool lights there. Maybe I will see if the lights perform better on here than the Sony's lights on the XP40 or XP41, because I do like the 41. I like those lights that wrap around. Anyways, I will be doing the recording of these speakers so you guys can have an idea of how they sound like at the end of the video. But the main reason I'm doing this is so I can ask you guys what speakers that you guys really want to see battle against these speakers. What do you want to see battle against the PK7? Or what do you want to see battle against the PK5? Or what do you want to see battle against the PK3? Oh, look at that. I know their names now. Yes, I do actually have some other speakers from LG. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you are, because I do have some other things that will be coming pretty soon too. I'm thinking about if I should do the unboxing videos of those so you can kind of see what's coming, but I'm not sure if I will. But subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to let me know what you want to see. I'll put the links to these speakers in case you're interested to see what's up with LG's audio. I'll put the links to them in the description section below. I'm going to leave you with a sample of the three speakers playing back and forth between all of them, so you can kind of have an idea of how they sound like before we go into the main sound battles, if you guys are interested in those at all. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.